Good evening, friends. We will start with a new topic, that is assessment of energy requirement for any individual. How much energy required to carry out a work? In a previous class, we discussed about energy topic. Within that, introduction, definition, basic principles, and next one, measurement of energy. But in today's class, we will be detailed study about assessment of energy requirement for any man, and same assessment of energy requirement for Indian with the steps of calculations. Okay, we will start with the introduction. For the energy requirement assessment, we are going to be considering energy expenditure rather than energy intake. First of all, we are keeping in the mind how much energy is going to be expended for any work. For any days, how much energy is going to be expended instead of how much he has taking the food. ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ನಾವು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಅಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಹೆವಿ ವರ್ಕ್ and lot of energy is lost. To fulfill that energy loss, we should be take more food intake or high caloric diet. Yes, this is the first point. And second one, we are not bother about the intake of the everyday. One day we will be consume lot of food stuff if the food stuff is being sweeter, and one day we are not at all taking any food stuff because we are being with the starvation. During that situation also our body is functioning because stored fat is going to be converted into glucose molecules. That same glucose molecule utilized by body cells in the form of energy. Okay, yes, to carry out any work our energy expenditure is an important thing here. Okay, that's why to assess the energy requirement, first of all we will be focusing on energy expenditure of an individual for the day. Okay, yes, for Indian energy requirement, how they are going to assess means, according to ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, in the year 1989 there is a modified energy assessment technique they have adopted. What does that means? The expert group, ICMR expert group, used BMR factor for the assessment of energy requirement. They are focused more on the BMR of Indians to calculate the energy requirement. BMR means basal metabolic rate. Okay, yes, to calculate this energy requirement there is a several steps are there. First step, physical activity ratio, that is PAR. We have to calculate the physical activity ratio. Then what do you mean by physical activity ratio? Means it is an energy cost of an activity per minute. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ತದ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷದಾಗ, ಅದು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ energy cost of BMR per minute for the same work. ಅದ ಸೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ BMR ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಪರ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ BMR per minute for the same work. Yes, now we are calculated energy cost for the minute, that should be converted into hours. Hours to 24 hours means one day. Yes, PAR value for the activities over a day means 24 hours. That time we will be get a physical activity level. ಆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷದನ್ನು 24 ತಾಸು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. That's why we will be coming in the second step, that is physical activity level, PAL. Physical activity level means energy expenditure for 24 hours. Energy expenditure for 24 hours divided by BMR for 24 hours. To do the same work, how much BMR is consuming for 24 hours, that time we will get physical activity level. And this time there is a cross multiplication. BMR will be coming here, and then energy expenditure for 24 hours, that in the form of third step, total energy expenditure. Total energy expenditure is equal to BMR into physical activity level, PAL. Finally we will get a formula. Total energy expenditure of an individual is equal to BMR into physical activity level. Yes, according to ICMR, there are 3 levels of energy requirement, or there are 3 levels of activities. What are those means? Sedentary workers, moderate workers, and heavy workers. For sedentary workers, they have given a constant number, that is 1.53. It is a constant number or constant term they have given for sedentary workers. And for next moderate worker 1.8 and heavy workers 2.3. Okay, in a sedentary workers means they are going to be working with a sedentary lifestyle, easy lifestyle, table work they are going to be doing. There is no heavy work. Okay, for example, here doctors will be coming, class 1 officer will be coming. Okay, in a moderate workers, all the teachers and all the Anganwadi workers, tailor workers, they will be lie in the moderate workers. And heavy workers, agriculture workers and stone cutters, rickshawala, those will be lie in the heavy workers. Okay, this is about ICMR given level of activities. Yes, in this formula, what we are having, total energy expenditure is equal to BMR into PAL. To calculate this BMR, again they have given a predicting proposed equations. Here step 4, equation for predicting BMR. To calculate the BMR, proposed some equations are given by ICMR. Yes, what are those equations? Here for male is separate, for female is separate. Yes, first we will see for male in the age group and proposed equations. If the male age is 18 to 30 years, the proposed equation is 14.5 into body weight in kg plus 645. It is a first proposed equation. Next one, if the age group of male is 30 to 60 years, second proposed equation, that is 10.9 into body weight under kg plus 833. And last proposed equation, if the male age is more than 60 years, proposed equation is 12.6 into body weight in a kg plus 463. These are the 3 proposed equation to calculate the BMR. And for female, see here, same age group, 18 to 13 years female, proposed equation is 14 into body weight in kg plus 471. First equation for female. And second one, if the female is aged under 30 to 60 years, proposed equation is 8.9 into body weight under kg plus 788. Okay, last equation, if the female lies more than 60 years, proposed equation is 10 into body weight under kg plus 565. These are the proposed equation to calculate the BMR. Okay, see here we will be calculate one examples. Here 26-year male body weight is 42 kg. Then we have to first of all calculate the BMR. 52 kilo anta male in the age group of 26 means lies in the 18 to 30 years. It means we have to use this formula. Yes, to calculate the BMR, predicted or proposed equation is 14.5 into body weight 100 kg plus 645. Then we have to fill the body weight here. 14.5 into 52. What the person is having 52 kg body weight. Then plus 645. Finally we will be get 1399 as a BMR. BMR rate is 1399. Then with the help of this equation, total energy expenditure is equal to BMR into PAL. Total energy expenditure, we are going to keeping BMR rate, that is 1399 into 1.53. What is this 1.53 means? The person is being with a sedentary worker, that constant ratio, PAL ratio. Then finally we will be get a 2098 kilocalorie energy consumption for one sedentary worker in the age group of 26. Body weight is 52 and his BMR is 1399. He required 2098 kilocalorie energy per day. Okay, this is about example. Same thing you can be use it for the female. Okay, by this we will be finish our today class. In upcoming class we will be start with the other calculation part. Okay, thank you.